5, 4, 3, 2. Yo, you now in Mount Real, Bunzi Man, Gavumba Jack, king of the Mount Real, East Side, baby. Me and my cousin True Collection, we out here in downtown Montreal. You know how we go down. I mean, we out there all day, every day. Yo, I'd like to send a big special thanks and shout out to Pop Montreal, Club Coda, for letting me and Kizzy, the lyrical mistress, step in there and like just rock the place. It was lovely. People loved it. I loved it myself too, and I'm gonna check out the rest of the shows from Pop Montreal. If you want to know what's poppin', go to Pop Montreal. That's what's poppin'. You understand? And a big shout out to everybody that organized, everybody that did the administration, all the managers, A&Rs, club owners. Y'all doing a lovely job, and y'all should do this every year, alright? And oh yeah, I will perform once again if I ever y'all need me, so just give me a call, call the management. Alright, but I'm just playing around with y'all, so yo, everybody that worked over there for that job, I hope y'all make some more events happen, alright? See y'all soon.